Imagine a robot with acute sensory perception. A robot with the intelligence to understand what it sees and even go beyond what we humans can perceive. This robot would help resolve critical industry challenges and contribute to creating a new world with infinite possibilities. Meet JOYCE, the world's first humanoid robot developed by the computer vision community. Collaborate to upgrade JOYCE with innovative technologies. Be there when JOYCE gets new optics, sensors, and algorithms. Discover ingenious business solutions alongside the world's brightest minds in AI and computer vision. Soon, JOYCE will be streaming live so that everybody can see through her eyes in immersive 360 degrees. JOYCE? JOYCE, wake up.